Well, I've had a long day. I've also drank a whole Red Bull to the head. So my chest is palpitating. I have a little bit of energy, and we are coming to you guys today with a nail art-ish tutorial. So, I just got home, just got my nails did. I wanted to, okay. So I wanted to touch base with you guys, of course, about a few things, because when I do nail art tutorials, which is not really nail art to me, but it's just nail tutorials because I love having my nails done and painted and all that. I'm just not very artistic, and I don't really care for designs and whatnot. But anyway, today I went to the store and I picked up a color because I was looking for this rich purpley color, but it's like chromy, but it has glitter, but I want to make it matte, you know, that type of shit. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. But I wanted to touch base with you guys and more so answer like a couple of questions about what I usually see in my comments or personal messages or what I hear in real life every day because I have long nails. So first things first, if you guys are new to my channel, how you doing? You may want to subscribe, you may not, but I prefer if you did. That'd be great. I'm sure everybody else wouldn't mind if you did subscribe and watch the madness. Okay. First things first, I love having long nails. I have done my nails since I can remember. I have had my nails done. Either I get them done professionally. I used to sculpt my own gel nails. I used to do a lot of like nail stuff on, like nail artsy stuff on my nails. I used to do gel polish nonstop on my nails, which I still do. I don't use regular polishes. That's not my cup of tea. If you love regular nail polishes, God bless your heart, okay? There's only 2 brands of regular nail polish that I absolutely love. And the first one is from an indie brand called NailNation 3000, and she just reopened her store. I'll leave all those stuff linked down below. And Essie, and I think that's it. Essie and yes. Oh, and Polish Addict. Those are great polishes. Polish Addict is an indie brand, but NailNation 3000 is like my go-to hologasm graphic goodness. You gotta check out Maria's store, even if you just want to look at the pretty colors. So I don't do regular nail polish. Now, every tutorial that I have done, you can do with regular polish. You just have to wait like 45 million years for it to dry, unless you have really good nail chemistry or whatever, and it dries really fast on you. Anyway, I prefer gel polishes hands down. The next thing would be that I leave everything linked down below, right there, down to the lamp that I use. Of course, I have an old rinky-dink Sensational lamp. This is from when, I don't know if I bought it. I think I purchased this lamp. I purchased this kit. This was my first actual YouTube video, was on this brand, dead ass. And this is still the lamp. 6 years ago, I've still had this lamp. It's a little rinky dink. I wish Sensational would SensatioNail would hook a sister up with a new lamp, because she is a raggedy. But I have used this to sculpt nails. I've used this to do nail art. I've used this to do every single one of my own personal polishes. Of course, I'll leave a link down below, but it's a newer lamp, I think. They changed the design of it. I heard it's still great, but anyway, and all the polishes that I'll be using down to the top coat, and I'll even include a base coat and all that. Okay, now, other things that I get asked is, do you need a base coat to do it on your nails? Yes and no. If you have fake acrylic type nails, you don't necessarily need a base coat. I don't recommend it because it's just going to make it clunkier and stuff, a lot thicker, because you're just adding an extra coat. But if it's on your natural nails and you're using gel polishes, then yes, you do need a base coat, which I will include one down below. You can use pretty much any base coat. I like to use a base and top coat mix because you really only need 1 bottle, and you can use it as a base coat and you can use it as a top coat, and there are universal base and top coats out there, and I have a few. Now, with gel polishes, people, and I know that most of you guys probably know this, but there are people actually that do not know. I don't know how this turned into a Q&A, but it is what it is. And I know I'm talking fast, but again, Red Bull. It was coconut berry. It's delish. Anyway, in between coats, you have to cure it for whatever the time of the brand is. So usually for like most polishes is at least 30 seconds, but I personally like to leave it on for a full 60 seconds to, you know, a minute and a half under the LED light. Now I prefer LED, not UV. I've been asked that a lot. LED is safer and faster and more efficient. I just like it. It is way better. I don't see why anyone would choose UV after they have the LED option, but kudos to you if you like it. 17th thing. I like long nails. I like extremely long nails. These are my hands. I can function and do everything and then some with my phalange extenders, okay? That's all I'm gonna answer on that. I get some really ridiculous questions and I don't feel like we should be answering them because clearly I can function, do makeup, cook, clean, and all that, and my nails are always clean. You guys have never seen me with yellow nails. You can't even spot them. You see this? You just don't. But anyway, neither here nor there. I'm very nitpicky about my hands. My hands have to look a particular way. It's just the thing I have. It's just me. If you love short nails, that is perfectly fine. I love short nails too, just not on me. Oh, so we're gonna get to the tutorial. Yeah. Anyway, again, I will leave everything linked down below, and I just kind of wanted to run some things by you guys. All right, so now we can get started. Oh wow, we had to lower this. I got a booger. Okay, good, perfect, super. Okay, love, so yeah, these are my nails. They're very, very long. I get it, we've already discussed. Some people love the look of long nails. They just can't use them, and some people hate them, so it is what it is. This design right here that I'm gonna do, I don't know, I was just thinking like fall, but pretty and glam. I do have a couple glitters here from Sensational. This one's Tangerine glitter and this one's Rose Gold glitter. And I'm going to be sponging this on the tip. So I don't know which one I'm gonna go for. I'm gonna test out the looks before I fully do them. But anyway, I'm gonna do a matte color today, of course. The color I have here is IBD Just Gel in Pixie Pop. I just picked this up today. It's one of their newer colors. IBD was actually the second brand that I started buying a heap ton of polishes from after Sensational, and then I became an ambassador for Sensational, and they were sending me products, so that was even better. But I love my IBD Just Gel. This is like a $10 bottle, and you get 0.5 fluid ounces, which I love. Their polishes are gorgeous. And I have my matte top coat, which I love so much. This one's the perfect matte, and of course all these items will be linked down below. So you get your polishes, you get your top coat that of your choice, and then you're gonna need your LED lamp and some isopropyl. This is alcohol. I usually use 90%. That's just the thing. You can get some lint-free wipes, but I use paper towels. That's it. That's all I use is paper towels. Okay, that did not. Okay, there we go. Okay, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is my nails are clean. I've already wiped them with alcohol already. So you wanna start off without having too many oils on your nails because the polish will lift. Okay, I always recommend shaking your gel polishes. So either you roll them around in your hand, put them upside down for a little bit, or shake them. So shake it. I just grabbed a makeup sponge. I don't do a lot of sponging, but because I don't want the polish, anyway, I'll explain. I don't want the polish to be too bulky because these polishes have a clear base and it can kind of become bulky when you're kind of trying to build up just the glitter. So I'm gonna try the sponging technique, but you guys are gonna see this at the same time I see it type thing, you know? You guys are gonna be just as shocked as I am. If it comes out good, it comes out good. If it don't, then fuck it. All right, so I'm gonna apply this on all 5 phalanges or nails. And then I'm gonna cure it under the lamp. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. Yes. Okay. So you don't want to clump this up. You want to work in thin layers, as thin as you possibly can. But you also want to build up color, of course. So you don't want to do too thin. So it's okay to go back in. And because I just shook up the bottle, there's a lot of product coming out of the brush. And you want to keep it as thin and even as possible. I'm going to clean around the cuticle, as you should. Do 2 nails at a time. Sometimes some gel polishes kind of start to become clear around the edges, and it starts to do this thing I call shrinkage in a sense, where the color starts to, like, I don't know, separate from the base. It's not doing it with this, but it does happen with some gel polishes. You want to make sure that the bottle is away from the lamp so that it doesn't light up and cure. So I'm curing these 2 nails for 60 seconds, and I'm gonna do the rest of the 3 nails and be right back. So I cured in between each coat, and I ended up doing 3 thin coats of the IBD Just Gel in Pixie Pop. And I will say that this color right here is gorgeous. It is almost like a royal purple with some hints of like a pinky silver glitter as an undertone. So I decided that I wanted to go against the color wheel and use the Tangerine glitter by Sensational. And I'm actually going to use, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and take the orange Tangerine glitter shade by Sensational, and I'm going to take it on the bottom end of the sponge and sponge it on the tips. I'm going to take the sponge, and I'm going to just going to use the end of the sponge, and I'm going to, I don't know how this is going to work, guys, because I can't really do this. And I'm going to take the other side of the sponge, the clean side, and kind of pick up and move around the glitters. So what it's doing is it's actually picking up the gel base of it and helping me spread the polish a little bit better. I know this is kind of random as hell right now, but that's kind of how I want it. I want it moved around a little bit so it's like a gradient. So I think that looks pretty good. You can also do it on the base of the nail. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing and reapply some glitter, just a dollop, literally, one little dot. And we're going to go in. And you can mix this up a little bit. Just kind of sponge it where you want. But I kind of wanted a gradient French type tip, and it's going to be matte. So I'm going to continue on and finish these off, and then I'll apply the top coat. The Clavuz matte top coat, I'll try to find, if not this one, another matte top coat. I do see them a lot online. They're like no more than 10 bucks for these top coats, and what you do is just apply it on the nail, of course, and then you just cure the nail for supposedly only 30 seconds, but again, I like to keep it on for the full minute just to be safe. So now I'm putting it in to cure for the full minute. And when you're looking at your nails through the lamp, you actually see it starting to turn matte, and it excites me. So I'm hoping that this comes out just how I envisioned it. These are the nails before I wipe them with alcohol, and they already look matte. So what I'm gonna do is take, of course, paper towel and some 91% isopropyl. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it in front of you guys and wipe the sticky layer off. Then I blow, and then look at the matte. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. Okay, my love, so this is the completed look. I am in love. It is completely matte, but in person you could definitely see some of the flecks of the hollow glitter and some reds and greens in this orange glitter from Sensational. This is perfect for Halloween or for fall. The colors are very beautiful and deep and rich, and it's really fun and festive, but simplistic enough and easy to do with pretty much any color combination that you like. This definitely will look beautiful with a rose gold or like a silver glitter with a white base, even a black base. So it looks really pretty and elegant, but I am in love with these nails. I'll do a little close-up so you guys can see. So I hope you guys like this video. You can recreate this with pretty much any nail shape, length, and colors that you'd like. So I hope that if you guys recreate it, you just tag me. I just thought this would be fun and simple and easy and glittery, but not like wha-pow, you know? So anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up. Get it? Thumbs up. Should this be the thumbnail? Anyway, please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.